Hello, everyone. My name is Holly Conley, and I am the advisor for the Eta Delta chapter of Alpha Beta Gamma for the Delaware Tech Terry campus. This video is to help share information about what ABG is and why it can be valuable to be a member. So, what is ABG? Well, it's an international honor society for business and professionals attending community colleges just like Delaware Tech. Membership is by invite only, as it is reserved for those who have demonstrated academic excellence. Alpha Beta Gamma has membership with the Association of College Honor Societies, and it is internationally recognized. ABG is a well-established honor society that was organized in 1970 by business professors to recognize and encourage scholarship among students attending two-year colleges, and at the time was focused just on business programs. It has since expanded to include business and other professions, as we'll see later in the eligible majors. The Association of College Honor Societies is the accrediting body for Alpha Beta Gamma, and it is the governing body to ensure compliance to make sure that all of us meet the same standards. Over 100,000 members have been initiated since the beginning of ABG. We have over 200 chapters which are represented by business professors and advisors in each chapter. So, what qualifies someone to be a member of Alpha Beta Gamma? Well, first, you must have completed at least 15 credits in the 100 level or above. Next, you have to have achieved a cumulative GPA of 3.25, and you must be enrolled in an eligible major. On the next slide, we will see a tremendous list of eligible majors, and if you are receiving this, your majors should be on there. Finally, members should also have good moral character, and we know that our students at Delaware Tech are absolutely outstanding. As we see here, there are so many majors included in the list of eligibility. All of Delaware Tech business majors are included, as well as many others, including human services, drug and alcohol counseling, culinary, visual communications, criminal justice, IT, paralegal, and so many more. So, when we think about why would we want to be a member of ABG, there are several benefits that are available for members. So, what are some of those? Well, having that academic achievement listed on your resume shows your diligence towards your major. We also offer leadership opportunities through our local chapter. We have positions such as president, vice president, secretary, treasurer, and public relations. Members also have the opportunity to participate in essay competitions, which can earn you stipends and other awards. Another benefit is being able to use ABG resume paper. It is both professional and distinctive to help your resume get recognized. We also hope to be able to participate in the national leadership conferences in the future, where our chapters and individuals can earn both awards and stipends. You can also compete as a national officer if you are one of our chapter officers and be recognized as a national officer in ABG. Recognition of ABG members can also help if you are applying to continue your education at a four-year college. There are scholarships offered to members continuing on to those four-year colleges. We have a list in our abg.org website that tells you the different colleges that do offer scholarships to ABG students. Another great thing is on graduation day, ABG members are offered the opportunity to order stoles and tassels, as well as other graduation regalia to wear with their cap and gown. So we are able to see that you stand out among your peers. ABG also has an honors journal. The winning essays from the essay competitions are published in the honors journal, and students also have the opportunity to submit their own articles for publication. How exciting would it be to be a published author in an honors journal? The honors journal also allows members to learn about what other chapters are doing and stay updated on the society as a whole. To learn more information about Alpha Beta Gamma, you can visit the National Alpha Beta webpage at www.abg.org. Finally, here's my contact information if you should have any questions. I look forward to hearing from you and to receiving your applications for membership. You can email me at hconley, CONLEY, @dtcc.edu. Thank you and have a great day.